What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Hope you're doing well. We're going to go over Gala games. Currently sitting at 0.02214, down 2% on the day. Market cap 70.32 million, and 25 on 57 million. So we rolled over. So what we want to see if we're going to hold a bullish count is a bounce before we break the 78.6% fib level. If we break 0.02077, it becomes more likely that you're going to create a lower low, which is obviously on the table. We have a little bit of a bullish divergence, especially on the money flow. So if we can push up and break the double bottom, this neckline, then you could see a bullish reversal to the upside. But until then, if Bitcoin rolls over and Gala follows suit, we lose the 78.6, higher likelihood you create a lower low. And before you see a bounce back to the upside. So basically on the daily chart, we're looking at that inverse head and shoulders. But if we lose this low, you have a little bit of support right in this area of 0.01846. And then you're looking at this yellow zone in between 0.012 and 0.016. So we'll see. We'll see if we can get that bounce, bullish confirmation with a break of that neckline at 0.02447, and bearish confirmation or higher likelihood of the bearish scenario if we break the 78.6 at 0.020077. All right, gang. So we're absolutely crushing it in Forex this week. Just been absolutely slaying. My signals are completely free for Forex and crypto, as well as my daily crypto analysis for many coins. If you sign up to BITUNIX, no KYC, no VPN, all around the world, 10% back on every single one of your fees, every single trade. If you sign up through my link, top of the comments, and then just send me an email after you make your first deposit, and you'll get completely free access to my VIP rooms, which include my daily crypto analysis, my exact trade setups, as well as Forex signals. I also have exchange sign up. If you've never traded Forex before, it's quite simple. And yeah, we've just been crushing it all week. It's quite a bit easier to trade Forex than crypto. All right, gang, all links down below. Smash up that like button, subscribe if you're new. Hopefully I'll see you in the Discord. Much love. Take care. Peace out.